Welcome to ASM Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to sort lists in Python. First, I'm going to create a list, call num for numbers, and I will add some numbers. Just random numbers. And then I will call built-in function sort to sort the list. This will sort the list in ascending order and also modify the list. I will also add a function to print the list. So whenever I use the sort function, I can call that def sort list, and in this function I will get a list to sort to print, and going to use for x in range and then length, and pass in our list numbers, and just print each element of the list. And we'll also add a comma because I want to show as a comma separator. So it's gonna be plus and comma and just a space, and need to convert this to a string by using string functionality and pass in our integer value of number. So now we have this function we can call to print the list. Now after the sort method, we can call print list and pass in our num. Let's see how it works. I should name it print list because we are not sorting over here, and I use the name print list. So this is much better because we are doing sorting with the sort method and just printing with this method. Don't need to come over here. I'm just gonna remove this one and just print our numbers. And you can see the list over here, so it is printed as a sorted list. So we need to keep in mind when we call sort function on our list, it modifies the list. The original values are like this, and when we sort it, it will become in ascending order. Now I'm going to sort in a reverse and in descending order. For that we need to, I'm just gonna comment this one, don't need to print it again. And now I'm going to do reverse sorting. We need to call sort function again, but this time num dot sort. Then we need to set reverse value to true. That means sort the list in descending order. And then call it again, print list, and passed in our list, and we will see if it prints in a descending order. Just gonna save it and run our script, and you can see it printing in descending order. So again the list is modified, and if you don't want your list to be modified, you can use a built-in sorted method using all and passing in our numbers list. Let's see, this function also take the list and return us list as ascending by default. Now I'm going to comment this again, this one too, and now I'm going to use the sorted method now. Sorted and pass in num, and we will get a list of sorted numbers. I will name it sort num, and I'm going to print this one, print list, and pass in sort number list. So now it should print a list in ascending order. And you can see it printed in a ascending order, the list. So now we are going to check if our list is also modified or not. I'm just going to comment this one. So at the last time it was in a descending order, so I'm going to print list and pass in our num list and save it and run our script. And you can see the list is still in a descending order, so this function did not modify the list values. So this way you can sort list in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.